Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be kind of a recap. Jay, who was wondering how I did with that wheelbarrow job the other day, and this is a little example of what happened. Not really so much good results. The press ended up breaking. The frame bolts actually snapped. I don't know how. I mean, it was a 20-year-old car. And I got to run up to a hardware store like Home Depot, Lowe's, something like that, and see if I can actually get replacements for this. So, basically what happened, guys, I'll tell you the story. Basically, we used this machine for most of the job, the press, try to press in, pull out, but it's mostly pulling out or pushing out the bearing, and unsuccessful, total fail. So this is what ended up happening right here. So just to let you guys know, Jehu, this is what happened. Yeah, lots of pressure. That's a 20 ton press. I think the capacity. Let me see if I can get behind that. I want to say it's 20 ton. It's on a homemade press. It's good made press. It's just just the force of it all. I-beam construction. You know, it just ended up failing. And then we tried the on the car wheel bearing kit. That really didn't go so good. So I took it to work, which I have an air operated over hydraulic unit, which is foot operated, and I ended up finishing, pressing it in, doing it all there. I ended up putting it on the car. Long story short, everything went as planned as far as my work was involved. And what ended up happening was, the gentleman I did the work for wasn't really a customer I dealt with too much. He ended up showing interest in wanting me to work for him and give me the job, and I ended up taking the job, which like I said, he had a lot of problems with the car, so I ended up telling him in the beginning. The whole problem in the beginning was his wheel bearing, and that had play, and had side-to-side play. So we were dealing with that. We were dealing with an inner tie rod on the same side. It was the driver's side, and we had an exhaust problem. We had numerous misfires. There was a lot going on with this car. It was more than 20 years old. So, basically, I ended up giving him his money back and telling him I wasn't interested. And I ended up finishing the job and sending him on his way. He's not one of my regular customers, like I said. So it really didn't hurt my feelings too much. Most of my customers, they enjoy my work. They look for me. They follow me from shop to shop. And then I continue to service their cars. So this particular customer, I handed him his money back, told him no hard feelings, and that was the end of it. So just to let you guys know how that job went. Successful, but when you have a customer that says, ever since you touched this happened, ever since you touched my radio, now I have transmission problems, or ever since you touched my transmission, now my radio don't work, etc., etc., etc. So that's the type of customer I was dealing with, and like I said, make a long story short, guys, I just handed him his money back and said, have a nice day, and here is your money back. So, alright guys, so it's a little short one to show you, a recap for Jehu, and you know, I'd like to hopefully he sees this one and let me know what you guys think. So you guys have a nice night, and hope your weekend's going great, and take care, guys.